welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to be talking about two perfumes, one that I love, one that is it's so-so. It's okay, but it ain't all that. So let's jump right into it. So the first perfume is by Lancome, and this is Idole. Now this perfume scent is very chic, it's very feminine. It has a floral fresh scent with a hint of rose, jasmine, and vanilla and white musk. I feel like this scent is a really perfect smell for, the summer. I mean, this all around, but it smells so good. I would say that this perfume is literally my most complimented perfume of 2024. It doesn't matter where I go, any person that smells it, they are always asking, what it is and what scent. This is it. Now, if you're in a relationship and you want your man all up over you, girl, get this perfume. This one, it smells so heavenly, and the scent is very long lasting. But let's talk about the price of this perfume. So it comes in 3 different sizes. There's a 0.85 ounce, and that's $65. This one right here is the 1.7 ounce, and this is $118. And then there is also a 3.4 ounce, which is $145. Now, if you like a perfume that is rose concentrated, this one will be for you. It has white orchids in it as well, and of course vanilla, and all those ingredients mixed together makes the perfect combination and smell that is long lasting. It's not super strong, it just lingers, and I'm telling you guys, if you spray this on your skin or your clothes, it's going to be in your clothes for days. I feel like I had to wash like my shirts and my dresses like multiple times just to get the scent out, because it really sinks into your skin or to your clothes. Whatever you spray it on, it's going to sink in and it's going to stay, but it's going to be a very great smell. So this one is by far like my favorite perfume. One we're going to talk about is also another perfume that is from Lancome, and this is the Vie Est Belle one. Now this one has a very stunning sophisticated look. It looks luxurious. It does have a fruity and floral scent as well. It has raspberry and it has a hint of coconut in it. But let me be honest with you, when you first smell this is going to smell something like somebody grandma wears or something. Like it's like one of the old smelling vintage type smelling perfumes, but once it settles into your skin, it smells way better than the initial spray. Like I wouldn't dare spray this, because the smell of this, it is strong. Like it is strong, and a little bit of this goes a long way. And as you guys see, I have this for almost a month now, and I haven't really used it because, like I said, the smell of this perfume is most definitely like an acquired smell. So for this one, we can talk a little bit about the pricing. So there is a 0.3 ounce for $32. Then there's a 1 ounce for $95, and that would be this one. And then a 1.7 ounce for $132, and a 3.4 ounce for $165. Is this perfume worth it? This one is a hit and miss to me. I don't know what they were thinking when they made it, but I feel like the bottle is really pretty. It is really pretty. I feel like the combination of all those really, I feel like it ain't all that. But I mean, if the way that it's described is to be warm floral perfume that opens with raspberry, violet leaf notes, and warm cocoa butter base. It's supposed to create a scent that evokes the liberation found in radical love to put it down and not be spraying too much of it. But like I said, I feel like this one particularly would be good to wear during Christmas, Thanksgiving, once a year. Don't all through the year. No, I'm not wearing this. I'm not wearing this all through the year. Maybe, like I said, on Christmas. But other than that, I mean, that's all I wanted to share with you guys today, is some of the scents and smells and things that I love. And girl, Zendaya. I've seen her as the face of this. I don't know if she helped create it or whatever, but I did see her on the cover of this, and if she really had anything to do with this, I mean, girl, you did the thing. So I really, 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 really love this, and I thank you guys for watching this video, and you have a great day.